How can we forget Imperial Cholas, their naval expeditions, how they expanded India's influence directly to Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia?
Because I was ambassador to Jordan, and the Jordanian king is the custodian of the Holy Mosque.
Because this Indian story can never be analyzed, written, debated by watching a few viral YouTube videos. There has to be in-depth understanding of concepts that are shaping the world around us.
Thank you very much, Naman, and for that very interesting and insightful and rather intricate introduction. But he spoke to Mahmoud Abbas, the president of the Palestinian Authority, which is the legitimate representative of the Palestinian people in accordance with various agreements that have been signed. And in 1992, and I happened to be the concerned desk officer in the Ministry of External Affairs at the time, when we decided that we shall recognize and upgrade our diplomatic relations with Israel. And so what we did, we met, and I was part of that meeting also. We met Arafat, he was here.
So we're absolutely delighted and honored, privileged to have Ambassador Anil Trigunyat lead these foreign policy classrooms. So India gained its independence in 1947. Many things have changed, many things. But one thing has always remained constant. And what is that? That's India's global orientations. Just think about this. A world without India, it's unimaginable. From Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, to even Ajay Banga, who is heading the World Bank, we were all born, raised in Mother India. Even the British economy today, led by India's son-in-law, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. Is this a new phenomenon? No. Even thousands of years ago, Indian ports in Gujarat, they were used to establish extensive trading links with Mesopotamia. How can we forget Imperial Cholas, their naval expeditions, how they expanded India's influence directly to Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, right? Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, Al-Baruni, they all made India their home in various times in history. Macedonians, Scythians, Persians, Central Asians, they've all left vivid accounts of their conquest, not just of Indian lands, but how India conquered their minds. So no matter where you are in the world, you will always find masala tea, yoga studios, Bollywood music, vibrant Indian community that you all will perhaps serve in time to come. So through the next 7 interactive podcasts with Ambassador Anil Trigunyat, our goal would be to decipher this beautiful Indian story. Because this Indian story can never be analyzed, written, debated by watching a few viral YouTube videos. There has to be in-depth understanding of concepts that are shaping the world around us. India is, India was, India will always be intricately linked to global world. And therefore it makes sense of that global world order. Because that world order hasn't shaped India of the past, but will continue to shape India of the future.